You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Wow, this is such an interesting brand name. Let's learn how to pronounce it. I am French, so we're going to learn how it's said and what it means and how you can say it in English. So, the French pronunciation first. Enfants. This means children. It's the plural. It's got TS at the end, but both are silent. So, enfant. Riche. The S is silent at the end. It's French, so don't ask me why. Silent letters all around. Riche means rich, of course. Déprimés means depressed. So, overall, the French pronunciation. Enfant riche. Déprimé. If you cannot pronounce French perfectly, if you cannot say enfant riche déprimé, just say it as enfant riche déprimé. Enfant riche déprimé. Can you say that? Let me know in the comments. Was this any useful? Let me know as well. See you soon. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.